Okay. And
Sir, robots make humans' life easier.
okay.
Robots are invented to help the humans.
Sir, like we can fasten up the work. If to make a car manually, it will take a lot of time. But if we use robots and in a assembly line way, then we can manufacture much faster than humans.
Sir,
Okay.
So they help in reducing the time for
sir,
making any for doing any work.
sir,
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
sir. Physics is facing problem. It seems she's asking any help from you.
So Advait, you send that again, sir, the link.
The link I have shared her again separately.
She's asking still more any help from you.
Hmm. Actually, tell her to wait for some time. I'm recording the video. I'll share it to her so she can see that one and learn. Okay, now I can't do
Okay,
anything. Just tell to her that
okay,
one.
sir.
And after this meeting, we'll
Okay, sir.
try with her separately. Is the device is working or not? Okay,
Okay, sir.
just convey her slowly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you whatever I know about the robot. Okay, just I'll read the first point. A robot is a machine that does tasks without the help of a person. Is it correct? Can it do the work without a person's help?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My answer is it depends on the robot which we make. Okay? Even though if you make a humanoid robot, just take an example of a movie 2.0 or else robot. Will it do on its own? Yeah, it will do some works on its own. And also for some work, it will wait for the confirmation. Okay, it will not proceed without the confirmation. And it depends on the manufacturer. If a manufacturer make a robot which have to be controlled specific at specific tasks, like it has to fully automated means you can present like that. If it has to work only some things without permission, it will do only that things. For some things you have to give the permission for working. Okay. And the second point is many people think of robots as machines that look and act like people. The second point, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can
No, sir.
anyone
It's
tell
not.
me like how you can justify the second point?
No, sir. Not all robots look the same. Miniature robots don't look the same, and the robots
Sir,
found in factories are different. Robots found in restaurants are different, and robots found in hospitals are different. Means they have different purposes, and they are designed in a way that they look only they are useful only for one purpose and not.
Yes, what Anand just said is actually correct. It depends on the manufacturer. Or what I have already told you about this one. Whatever and however the robot looks, it depends on the manufacturer. If it has to clean the floor,
sir,
yes, yes,
sir. In every robot we have levers, gears, etc., etc.
yeah,
Every simple machine is in a robot, sir. So even a robot can be also a machine, no, sir.
yes, but not all the machines can be a robot. Okay, just take an example of juicer or else any mixer grinder or else any fridge. Just take an example of fridge. What it will do? Just tell me.
Cools the items.
It
It
will
will
cool the
freeze.
things which you
Yeah, it will
keep
cool the
in
things
them.
inside of that one. But can it melt or else can it make the things hot?
No.
No, sir.
Can't do because the fridge is made for cooling things, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same way, just
Yes,
take an
sir.
example of washing machine. What it can do? It can wash the clothes and dry the clothes, right? But it can't cook.
Yes, sir.
So a robot is a thing like it's just like a machine, but it does more than one work. Okay, and there are different types of robots like partially controlled robots and fully controllable robots, or else fully automated robots. Okay. And can I know what is the software they will be using in the robots?
Arduino.
Arduino is a microcontroller, and there is a difference between microcontroller, microprocessors, and softwares. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you know the difference between hardware and software? Anyone?
I don't
Arya,
know.
I'm expecting an answer from you.
Yes, sir. Software is a program.
Yes. And what is the hardware?
Hardware means it will be like components.
Yeah, let's take software means like your voice. Whatever you want to talk, you can talk. But hardware means your body parts like hands, legs, and mouth. With mouth you can talk, but without talking also you can movement the lips, right?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct? In the same way, whatever we want to talk, we will be taking the help of lips and we will convey that one. Okay? This in such a way, a software is the thing which it runs. Without the hardware, a software can do nothing. Without the software, a hardware can also do nothing. Okay? Just take an example of a mobile phone. In that one, camera is a hardware. But what we will do with the camera?
Take photos.
We will take photos, we can take videos, right? We can take slow motion videos
Sir,
also. Yes.
sir, Sudiksha joined.
She joined. I
Yes,
didn't
sir.
put any request, I think. How she joined?
With the link on.
Okay. Sudiksha, are you here? Can you hear my voice? Sudiksha. I think she's not getting my voice. Just check that one. Hello, Sudiksha. If you're getting my voice, just put a message. I'll check that one. I think Ananta is playing something. Okay, we'll go with the topic. So, as I said, previously someone was telling something, right? Just continue that one. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is a difference between software and hardware. Okay, just take an example of mobile phone. In that one, a camera is there with which we can take videos, photos, and do a lot of things, right? But what a software will do, it will take the help of camera and what it can do, what it can perform, and it will take that use and it will depends on that one. Just take an example of Instagram. In the Instagram, we can use camera also, right? Not only in the mobile
Yes, sir.
camera app, we can use the camera app in Instagram or else Facebook or else if any other third party apps are there, that apps will use the hardware, that is camera object, and it will use of that one and it will take images and it can take videos also. Okay, so a hardware is just nothing but just like our hand. Okay, without our brain working, the hand cannot do anything, and without the software, a hardware cannot do anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
Mahendra
sir.
Reddy. Who is Mahendra Reddy?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Can I know
Sudiksha,
your
sir.
name? Yeah, now you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
So till now we just did nothing, just what is a robot we have learned. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I'll brief everything once again. A robot is nothing but just like a machine. It will do such things which cannot be done by a human being or else which cannot be done by one machine. Okay, just take an example of one machine. It will do only certain tasks like one or two. A fan can give only air. A light can give you only light. Okay, but a robot, if you design it whatever it wants to do, it can do a lot of things like it can cook or else it can clean your floors or else if you specify some work to that, it will do that one. Okay, and the last point is most robots too do not look like people, and robots do only what a person has built them to do. It depends. Like if I make a robot which have a small part, like if I make a cleaning robot, cleaning floor robot, what it will do? It'll just clean the floor, right? But just take an example of vacuum cleaner. Without the help of a human, can we run vacuum cleaner?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I can't
No,
do.
right? But we can make a device which can be automatically clean wherever the dust is, and without touching anything, without crashing to something. We have to give some sensors to that one. Okay, it should not go and directly hit a wall. It has to stop when it detects something and it has to take the diversion. Okay, without the help of human, it has to do something. If we design a model of kind of thing, it will be called as a semi-automated robot. Okay, because a floor cleaner, just take an example of floor cleaner, what it will do? It will just clean without touching anything, but it can't do the other work, like it can't cook, right? And someone
Sir,
is
ninth class
entered.
MVS brother also going to
What? Yeah, Redmi 6 Pro. Can I know your name?
Sir, I am MBS.
Okay, yes. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. So we'll go to the history, like when the robot is invented and what are the cases. Like a robot means at that times it's not fully automated, it's just semi-automated. Okay, the first point is in 1954, George Devol invented a first digitally operated and programmable robot called Unimate. I think we already made a model of Unimate and we made a skit also on that one. If you remember, it's okay, or else I'll just repeat that one once again. A Unimate means it's just nothing like a robot arm. Okay, there will be nothing, only just a robot arm which can pick things, like which can carry something and it can place on a certain place where we have given to that one. Okay, like nowadays the same kind of models are being used for the construction sites. Okay, if they are building a lot like 12 13 floors or else more than that, they are using this one for lifting heavy weights. Okay, so at that time the first robot which have been called as Unimate, it is actually semi-automated. Okay, someone have to be control that one. Without controlling, it can't do everything automatically. Okay, and see the years. In 1954, George Devol have invented, and in 1956, with his partner Joseph Engelberger, formed the world's first robot company. Okay, with the partnership of his friend, Devol have started a robot company. Okay, so it took 2 years for starting a company after he created something. Okay, and after that, the first robot to work in a factory in 1961 to move pieces of hot metal. Unimate was an autonomous, pre-programmed robot that repeatedly performed the same dangerous task. See, here also we have a 5 years of gap. Okay, after putting a company also, it took 5 years to use a Unimate robot in the factories. Okay, because at that times manpower was okay, no need of any other things, that's why they didn't use anything. But for moving hot metals or else hot objects, it's little difficult for the human beings. That's why the people you have used the Unimate model in 1961. Okay, and this is
sir for
a
exhibition
Unimate.
we prepared sir.
Yeah, tell me again. Satvik, I didn't get you.
For exhibition or something, we prepared that Unimate, sir.
Yeah, for the exhibition, like investors ceremony, at that time we have prepared that model and we done a task about that one. Okay, you can see an example of Unimate at that time how it was. Okay, this is the picture at that time, and who is wearing the suit in the background? He is George Devil. Okay, and with his subordinates, he was working on that one. And you can see the switches and controllers also here. Because it's not fully automated, there are controls and some things also there. Okay, is everything is cleared about Unimate, or else should I have to
Yes,
get into
sir.
point?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll go to the next topic, that is uses of robots in our daily life. Okay, how many members wants robots in their daily lives for usage or else for helping, or else it has to be a robot which can help us? If someone is thinking like that, and what is your idea? Just tell me. Unmute yourselves, tell me your name, and tell the thing.
Sir, I
Sir,
didn't
Sir,
understand your
sir,
question.
the
sir,
robot.
a robot is a one which
Sir, I'm
we can use for our daily lives, for cooking, for
Okay, Sharon,
cleaning.
wait a minute, wait a minute. The thing is,
Sir,
if you need a robot in your life, what kind of robot you need? Just tell me that one. What is the explanation? I'll tell. If you want a robot in your life, what type of robot you want? Just tell me that.
sir. Sir, I'm Ananta, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Ananta.
Sir, I want which will be like a friend, like a companion.
Your voice is not clear. Just repeat again.
sir, he's telling that he needs a robot like which be like his friend.
Okay, but there are a lot like if a human can't do one thing, for the replacement we will use a robot. You can find a lot of friends, right? Then why you need a robot friend?
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Because I'm
Yeah.
alone, sir.
Wait. Ananta will answer. What is your answer, Ananta?
Because I'm alone, sir.
Why? You don't have any friends?
Sir, where are friends in this lockdown period, sir? Like in this type, in these calamities, in situations like this, when I want a robot, which uh, which will be like my friend.
Yeah, that problem is facing by everyone because I too didn't have any friend. Okay, I'm too alone in my house, but a friend can't be in your house for the whole time. Okay, a friend will be a friend who will be visiting you in the schools or else outside of the schools, not inside of the home every time. Okay,
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Sir,
yeah.
can I tell?
Anyone first, Mukunda, you tell.
Sir, I need a robot which which suggests me to go in a good path and give me
Okay,
good.
yeah, okay, that's good.
Sir,
And yeah, Charan, you tell me.
I need a robot like which every time protects me from all the dangers.
So you need a superhero, right?
Not only for me, sir, for the country.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so we'll go with the topic. So the first one is automated transportation. Like how many members know what is an automated transportation, like self-driving robots? Anyone knows about that one?
Sir, can you repeat it again?
First one, what is the first one here in the slide? Automated transportation, that is
Automated
self-driving robot.
transportation.
Anyone knows anything about that one?
Automated
Sir, they are
transportation.
Japan, Japan, sir. And in operations, automated robots are being used in Japan, Japanese hotels.
The automated cars also there.
Yes,
Yes,
you have
sir.
automated
Automated
cars
cars.
also, right? Did anyone know like when it's being and how we like why we are not using an automated car now?
Why? Because there is there is not that much needed of automatic cars in our daily life.
Okay, so I'll just show you
Sir, can
some
I tell?
video. Yeah, tell me, Satvik.
Sir, cause any problem with the car, it may hits to any car without knowing, and if the battery is low.
Sir, expensive.
Yeah, that is one thing, expensive. Because now only the people can't buy a car. Like everybody can't buy the cars, right? It's a little costly.
Yes, sir.
And if they are making it automated, and why, like, just imagine how much it will cost. For a normal user, they can't use an automated car. Okay.
Sir, it
And the
goes
other
so
thing
fast.
is, Satvik said, right? It's not as safe out as human beings ride. Just think if you are riding a car, you'll be little safe. But a vehicle that is automated, it can do some mistakes, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it's still under progress. We can't tell that that is the only thing, the price, or else it can't handle. It's still under progress. It will take a lot of time. Just take an example of this coronavirus vaccine. Everybody is telling that it's already created, but it will take some time for testing to the humans, and they have to check the side effects, what are they getting, and these all the things. It will take nearly some time for doing that all the process. They can't just give the vaccine to everyone without testing on the human purposes and without knowing any side effects. Okay, so just see this video. It's still under the progress only. See how a car will check everything. It has it has to be like that, and without any human also. See, someone is sitting there and he is checking
It
whether
is like
it's
a
going in the
ultrasonic sensor.
I, it not only depends on the ultrasonic sensor, it depends on a lot of sensors. 360 degrees thing they need, like 360 degrees surrounding sensors they need, and braking systems also have to be perfect, and everything have to be perfect, right?
Sir, it is voice control.
Yes, sir.
It actually depends on the model what they are building. Like if they want to do a like a voice control, they can do voice control. Just take an example of your Google. Tell something repeatedly. Will it take the same thing every time? It may misunderstand sometime, right? It may
Sir,
misunderstand sometime.
Yes,
Like
sir.
Google Assistant, if you check on that one, it may misunderstand sometime. Like if you want to play some
Yes,
song,
sir.
it will check in different way, and it may play the different song also. In the same way, voice controlled means it's need a lot of testing for that one also. Okay, so a lot of companies, Ford is the main Ford. They are just working on that one. And you know Tesla, what is Tesla cars about Tesla?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tesla
Yeah,
Cyber
mainly what they will do, what Tesla cars will do.
electric
It
car.
will make, yeah,
Electronic
electronic cars only it will make.
sir,
It will make the electronic cars without any fuels, okay? And it's not there in India, but
Electronic.
may come. So we'll go to the next topic, that is cooking robots. And do you know anyone like where these cooking robots are being used now? Or else if anyone knows anything about that one?
In Japan. Japan.
In Japan, a lot of companies are like a lot of restaurants are being used robots only for cooking and for serving also. Mainly they are using the robots for serving because it will create some path like they will use the floor as a thing, and they can just give a table numbers like this food have to be delivered to certain table number. It can directly go and serve there. Okay, so in the cooking industries, mainly they are using for this serving only. And here also there is a restaurant, right, in Hyderabad also. Did anyone know anything about that one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Actually, in Jubilee Hills, we have a restaurant. I didn't know that restaurant name exactly, but there is a robot which will serve the food, it seems.
Sir, in Bangalore there, sir.
Okay, in Bangalore also it's there. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
And the
sir,
next
in
topic
Jubilee,
is,
when we are near check post, sir, so one time by
yeah,
table number it will take.
yes, if they gave the table number, it will directly go and serve the food there. Okay,
Yes,
so we'll
sir.
go to the next topic, medicine. In medicine
Yes,
industry, how
sir.
robots can be used?
Yeah. In packing of the medicines properly,
Okay, and
and the some of the harmful chemicals which they make can be made by those robots very easily without
okay,
any harm.
I'm getting the answers only from the repeated persons. Why can't the other talk? You people don't know how to unmute yourself. I can explain about that one also. Okay, there is a mic symbol there, and if you press on that one, you can unmute yourselves. Okay, Charan, you continue.
So and in transporting of the the automatic transportation, same like that,
Okay,
the
that is all
transport.
comes under transportation. Okay, in the medicine industry, I'll tell you, mainly where we will be using that one means nowadays in every hospital, every major hospital, they are using robotics
For
only for the
operations.
operations. Yeah, for the
For
operation.
operations, sir.
Yes, for the operations. Because just take an example, a human can easily spread a virus. Or else if they are doing any severe operation, they have to be very careful. They should not be infected by something, or else any disinfects should not be entered into that room. But if a robot is doing that one, if we clean a robot, it will not take the virus that much easily. Like it doesn't take any disinfects. Like it will not touch everything, right? And not only that, if a human is doing something, it will take some
Sure.
time. Like, if he have to go and cut something, like if he have to go and it has to check something, like is it okay, or else here the part have to be missed, and here the operate have to be done, and stitches have to be made. That one is little difficult for a human. But a robot, if you give the certain measurements and everything, it will directly go there and it will easily stitch the part. Okay, and you can search about this one also in the internet. The most of the operations are being used by the robots only, and the persons who are being treated under the robotics, they are easily getting out of the danger. Okay, if
Yes,
a
sir.
human is being made an operation, it will take more time for him to, like, what they will call that. It needs more rest for him. Okay, if a robot is doing that one, he doesn't need that much rest. Okay, because it will just take a small hole and it can do a lot of operations in that one. Okay, mainly nowadays surgeries and everything are depending on this one only. Okay, and there is an idea which is going to be worked out in the future. Okay, because a tablets dispenser, like medicine dispenser, what is the idea of that one is just like a hand sanitizer dispenser, you know, right? Nowadays everybody is like in malls or else supermarkets, they are just putting that one. If you press with your leg, the hand sanitizer can be dispensed from the dispenser. Okay, so in the same way, an alarm medicine dispenser is an idea which can be made by like a robot, and every time you no need to remember that I have to take medicine or else I have to take this one, that one. Okay, you can set an alarm every day, every time, so it will just remember you, and you can directly go and it will dispense the medicines whatever you have to take, and you can directly take that one. Okay, this is an idea. It's being processed, still in testing, so we may see this one in the futures. Okay, and the next one is education. In education, did anyone seen just like a robots like teaching or anything?
Bangalore.
In Bangalore, you have seen. Okay, which robot is teaching?
టీచర్ కి ఇచ్చింది
Banu, tell me in which Bangalore you have seen a robot teaching?
In Bangalore, in school, we saw in the school, sir. In the school in Bangalore.
Did you see that one really?
Teaching, I think, physics.
Okay, so education means it's just nothing but it will replace teachers and it can be easily explained at the topics. Okay, that is
And
the topic.
uh,
If it really came, there is no need of us. Okay, you can directly go to the robot and you can directly talk with them. They will only teach everything, and then no need of us.
and no need to pay salary to the robot.
Yeah, pay the salary. Also. Just charging is sufficient for them. Yes. And the next one is home maintenance. And do you have any ideas how a robot can maintain home, like how it can help us
Sir, floor
with our
cleaner.
home maintenance? Yeah,
Floor
floor
cleaner.
cleaner. And
Sir, grass cutter.
yeah, grass cutter. That is also good.
And for cleaning of floors and checking of
Cooking,
the house.
cooking also comes under the home maintenance only, right? Without cooking,
Yes,
you
sir,
can't
but it
make
has
food
already
outside.
been completed, no, sir.
Right, it's done. But I'm just telling, in home maintenance, this will also come under that
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next.
Sir, like dishwasher.
Okay, dishwasher. It will just wash that one. That's it. But what is the difference in that one? Like, do you want to make a robot which can take the dishes by itself and clean? Tell me the idea what you want. Okay, we can make a like alarm clock. If someone is entering into our house, it has to give some siren, or else it has to tell us like a doorbell only. Without clicking the doorbell, if someone is entering into our houses or else gate premises, it has to inform us, just like alarm. That is also home maintenance, right?
Sir, water sprinkler.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, water sprinklers. That is also home maintenance. And
Fire alarm.
fire alarm. Yeah, that is also okay. Okay, then we'll go to the next topic. Doing dangerous jobs. What it means, dangerous job?
Sir, you said no, sir. Lifting hot metals.
Lifting hot metals. At that time, they have used to lift the hot metals, but nowadays they are using it for everything. Like just take an
Mining.
example of manufacturing cars.
Sir, mining.
Yeah, in mining also. In mining, the oxygen levels will be very less. The human can't do. It is very dangerous for them, right?
Yes, sir.
There they can use. And let's take an example of car manufacturer.
Sir, army.
In army, they can use, but we will be not using that one.
Sir, explore.
What? Someone is telling something?
Exploring space.
Exploring space. Yeah, that is also a good idea. If we send
Diffusing bomb.
diffusing bombs also. And okay, these are the kind of dangerous jobs. And what is the next one? As a servant, we have already discussed about that one, right? Like in cooking robots, it can be also served. Okay. So we'll just go to the next one. That is a cooking robot example. It's just still under the progress. That's why the company also you can see Motorman, that company as being developing that robots. Okay, and this is an example. That's it. But beside of that vacuum cleaner, we can use a vacuum cleaner like small floor cleaner, which can automatically detect the dust and clean everything. Okay, and now we'll go to the machine topic. Yeah, I think everyone knows what is a machine and the screw, wheel, lever, pulley and inclined plane, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
can anyone explain it clearly and in a short form? Like, don't take much time. Explain it clearly and fastly. Can anyone explain, or else I have to explain that one? I need answers. Can anyone explain, or else I have to explain?
You explain, sir.
You will
I'll explain, but I'm not getting the like response. Only from 1 or 2 I'm getting that one.
I think they don't know how to mute, sir. Unmute, unmute.
Unmute. So it's better from the next class. I'll start with the video. Everyone have to show their video and
Yes,
I'll show my
sir.
video. Then it'll be good, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for this class, we'll not do that one. From next class, we'll do that one. Everyone have to on the videos,
Sir,
and
when is next class?
that we'll discuss in the last. Okay. So I'll tell you what is a machine. Just read that point. A machine is a thing that is created by people to make work easier. Okay, why we will use machines in our lives? To make our work easier, right?
Cover what is here.
Yes. Just take an example of mobile. Previously, there was a landline. If you want to make a call, you have to go to that landline and you have to make. You can't take that landline to wherever you want. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will be fixed in your homes or else any other places like offices or else hospitals, this kind of things. But nowadays, mobiles, you can take wherever you want. Yeah, someone is telling something.
Message.
Yeah, for messaging also. And just take an example, take some more examples and tell me. Leave the mobile phone. Mobile phone we can take wherever we want and we can do a lot of things with the mobile phone.
Mobile phone is portable.
For example, now we are taking online classes for that one using the mobiles only, right?
Yes, sir.
Software jobs.
Computer.
Yeah, the software drops. And okay, so machine is just an example, like it is a purpose which have been created for helping a human being. Okay. Previously, there was not a lot of examples, like a lot of machines. Only a few things were there, and those are the main things. You can see the examples for them, like screw, wheel and axle, lever, pulley, inclined plane. Okay, so can anyone tell why we will use screw?
To fix two objects.
Fixing an object.
To fixing an object, to hanging the objects.
To hang the objects, and if any screw or bolt is,
Find two parts.
if any parts are loose in it, we use the screw to keep it tight.
Okay, okay,
Fixing paintings.
Planes.
okay. So for fixing things, for hanging something,
Yes, sir.
right? Just a simple example. And the next one is wheel and axle. Why we will use wheels and axles? For what we will use?
For moving an object. For keeping tire, then we'll use wheel and axle.
Okay.
A lever is for thinking of a balance.
move an
Means,
object.
explain of balance.
That is lever. I am asking for the wheel and axle. I didn't went to the lever topic.
Axle is and rod, which helps to move the wheel. Means it is connected to the wheel.
Okay, it's help us to move something from one place to another place easily. Okay, just take an example of car or else a cycle without wheels. Will it move?
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
will not move. With the wheels, it can move
Sir,
freely. And what it will do? It will help us to move us from one place to another place. Okay, so the lever. What is the lever?
It is like a button which helps to which lever is used to turn on and off.
Lever is different, and what you are telling is different. It's not like turn off
Talking
and
about
on.
Minecraft, sir. He's talking about a game, Minecraft. In that lever is used on and off something.
Okay, so a lever is nothing but if there is an example, like we'll take a rock is there on the floor. With our bare hands, if we want to try to move
Heavy
that one,
objects, we use levers, sir. To lift
what?
heavy objects. To lift heavy objects, we use levers.
Yeah, to lift heavy objects only. If you want to take a bucket of water with your bare hands, it's little difficult. If you take a lever and put the bucket on the other side, and if you stand here, you can easily pull that one upside.
Yes.
Okay, but nowadays levers are being used in the parks and all, just to swing like playing a game. Okay,
Yes.
and the next one is pulley. And what are the examples of pulley?
Sir, for wells, they'll keep one small wheel type thing, no, sir. In which
Yes.
you add a rope. It helps in dragging and reduce the friction, because of which we can pull items much faster than.
Much faster and heavier objects also little lightly we can pull, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And the next one is inclined plane. Why we will use inclined plane?
To slide objects.
To slide.
To push objects. Actually, when we use inclined plane, the weight decreases and we can pull it much easily.
We
Then,
can pull much easily, we can push much easily. And
yeah,
just take an example of
stairs. When we need to
yeah,
put a heavy suitcase on a stairway, we can use the inclined plane and.
yeah, without inclined plane, if you want to take heavy objects in the stairs, it may damage whatever you want to take, it may damage. If you use
Yes,
inclined plane, it will be much easier to take it without damage and smoothly we can take without lifting the weight. Okay,
yes, sir.
so the next one, these are the examples like what the still now we have discussed, right? Pulley means it is used for lifting heavy weights, and lever means just take that one. If you want to move a rock with your bare hands, it's a little difficult. But if you use that technique which he have used, you can easily push the rocks. Heavy rocks also you can easily push them. Okay. Wheel and axle, without wheel and axle, it's difficult to transport. Wedge. Wedge means it's just nothing. Nowadays we will be using that one for stopping the doors, like from automatically closing by the wind. For stopping that one, we will be using that wedge. Okay. So inclined plane, that is which we have already discussed, without any damage. If you want to move heavy objects from upside to downside, we will be using that one. And screw, it's just nothing but for fixing something. Yeah, someone is in a mood to music, I think. So we'll go to the next topic, that is differences between robot and a machine. Okay. So till now what we have discussed, that is there are different types of robots and different types of machines. Okay, and there is a robot which can do a lot of things, like automated one, and there is a robot which can do only few things automatically, like without permission it can do only few things. With the permission it has to do few things. Okay, and this one is called as semi-automated robot. Just take the words automated robot means automatically it can do whatever it wants. Semi-automated means partially it can take some decisions. Okay, that is called as semi-automated robot. Okay, and machine means it's not semi and it is not fully automated also. It's just a machine which have to be uh, operated by a human, or else someone else it have to be operated. Without
Sir,
any human being, a machine cannot be handled. Yeah, tell me.
robots can be machines, no, sir?
Yeah, robots can be machines because some automated robots you are telling about, right? Like semi-automated, those
Yes, sir.
can be come under a machine only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Robot is nothing but a machine only which can do it can think by its own. We'll call it as a machine only, but if it's doing automatically, we'll call it as robot. A robot comes under a machine category only.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And using this all the topics is just an introduction. We will be going to do audio circuits, and yeah, because you're in 9th and 10th. Yes, we are going to use the Arduino only for this one. But this one only has such a lot how we can teach virtually without taking any kids or something. Actually, this year we wanted to introduce a lot of things like microbit is there and Arduino is there. So all the things we wanted to introduce, but because of this situation,
COVID.
COVID-19, it's been like
COVID-19.
okay. So I'll show you the website if you have some time today or tomorrow. Like for this one, we'll discuss now. Okay. So when it will be feasible for you to conduct the class, like at what day, at what time?
Every day.
I
Any
can't
day,
take every day,
anytime, sir.
mama. Okay. It's been like
Alternative.
once.
Sir, alternative.
Already the
Alternative day.
alternate days for us. Again, you are saying about this every day. Sir, keep alternate days, sir.
Sir, if it is not.
Yeah, wait a minute, wait a minute. Hello, everyone, wait a minute. I'll just tell you something. We will be taking only weekly once. We got the permission only like that.
Saram, please mute your audio. We can't hear sir audio.
Sir, no
Okay.
sir, sir.
I have talked with the sister and Beulah ma'am. They have given us the permission only for weekly once. We have to conduct only weekly once the classes. Okay? We can't conduct alternative days or else daily.
Sir, only
It's
1 hour,
weekly
no, sir?
once. Yeah, it depends. At what time we have started?
3:30.
3:30.
3:30.
Sir, at 3:30 we started now, sir.
Yeah, little late to 3:30, like 3:40 we have started. So it's been now 4:35. If the topic is interesting and if there is a thing I have to tell you more, then I can continue more than 1 hour. Okay.
Tell us more, sir.
For now, this is the end. So we'll discuss now, like at what day it will be easy for you, like weekly, from Monday to Friday. At what day you need the robotic class?
Sir, any day but not today. Any day but not today, sir.
Wednesday, sir.
Sir,
The class
Wednesday.
Sir,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes, sir. Wednesday.
Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday, sir.
Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Wednesday is okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.